Two people can be 45, but one body can behave like 35 while another behaves like 60. Same birthday. Very different body age. So today, let's break down what that means, how you can measure it, and most importantly, what you can do to improve it. Chronological age is simple. It's the number of years since you were born. It's your calendar age, your birthday age. Biological age is different. It's an estimate of how old your body seems based on your biology and how your cells and organs are functioning compared to what's typical at your chronological age. Think of it like this. Chronological age is your car's model year. Biological age is the mileage, wear and tear, and how well the engine is running. Two people can have the same model year, but very different conditions. Biological age is influenced by your life exposures over time, what scientists sometimes call your exposome. That includes sleep and circadian rhythm, food quality and nutrient status, physical activity and muscle mass, stress and recovery, smoking and alcohol, metabolic health, insulin resistance, inflammation, environmental exposures, chronic illness, infections, and medications in some cases. This is why biological age is not fixed. It's dynamic, and that's good news because it means you can influence it. Now, how do we measure biological age? There isn't just one method. There are multiple approaches, and each one captures a different angle. Blood-based biological age calculators use common lab markers like glucose, HbA1c, insulin, lipids, inflammation markers like CRP, kidney and liver markers, blood counts. Some tools combine these into an age score. This can be helpful because it's practical and often accessible. Functional age measures look at how your body performs. Grip strength, walking speed, VO2 max or fitness level, body composition, muscle mass, balance, and mobility. Sometimes these are the best real-world indicators of aging. Imaging and vascular age examples include coronary calcium score, carotid ultrasound markers. These reflect cardiovascular aging more specifically. DNA methylation-based epigenetic clocks is what we'll focus on today because it's one of the most talked about methods for measuring biological age at the cellular level. Your DNA is like a book of instructions, but not every chapter is read all the time. Epigenetics is the layer of regulation that influences which genes are turned up, turned down, or kept quiet without changing the DNA code itself. One major epigenetic mechanism is DNA methylation. DNA methylation is like placing tiny sticky notes on your DNA that affect how genes are expressed. These methylation patterns change with age, lifestyle, stress, sleep, diet quality, smoking, inflammation, metabolic health. As you age, certain methylation patterns become more predictable. And that predictability is what led scientists to create something called an epigenetic clock is a test that estimates biological age by analyzing patterns of DNA methylation at specific sites across your genome. Here's the key idea. The test doesn't just ask, how old are you? It asks, do your methylation patterns look like someone younger or older than your actual age? That difference is sometimes called age acceleration, biological age higher than chronological age, or age deceleration, biological age lower than chronological age. So what are the tests people refer to? In simple terms, there are direct-to-consumer and clinical research-grade options that measure DNA methylation from a sample, often saliva or blood. They usually report your estimated biological age, whether you show age acceleration, sometimes subscores related to pace of aging, or organ system patterns, depending on the platform. Important note, different tests use different clock models and algorithms, so results can vary between companies. These tests are promising, but interpretation matters. It's not a standalone medical diagnosis. It does not replace a clinical evaluation, your medical history, or real health. Have you ever tested your biological age, or are you interested in testing it? Tell us in the comments below. And if you want practical, evidence-based wellness content, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.